All right, Rob, so what do we got going on over here?
Playing Clash of Clans.
Playing Clash of Clans.
Yeah. No, we're gonna put the Streeter Track full coilover suspension in my 66 coupe.
Oh, you heard coupe.
Shop manager.
Shop manager. All right, so here she is. Pretty soon this will be a streamlined butterfly. Right now I'm just hitting the bottom with an undercoat, a nice tough rubberized undercoat. That way when he puts all his nice suspension in, we can be one and done. So here we have all the stuff. We got Cooper, shop manager. He's got his 3-link suspension in. Got the motor, exhaust, fuel cell. This thing is gonna be one sick ride. So over here is already the undercoating that I sprayed, so he's putting all the suspension in where I sprayed. Now I'm just gonna take care of the underneath. Good light in here. This looks nice.
I gotta get some new shop lights. I'll just hang some up.
This looks sick. This is gonna look really nice.
Nice little V8 crated up. What, you don't have no faith?
I got faith. This ain't a junkyard. This is a garage.
Bolts 20 and washers 19. Bolts 20, washers 19. Okay. 2019. That is definitely these. Okay. So. Alright. So I just finished putting Streeter Track's complete front coilover suspension in. Willwood's Dynapro front brakes. So that should be all set. Waiting on parts for the steering and waiting on brake lines. But we're going to mount up the calipers next and we'll go from there. Plus, we put the front wheel on. It looks fucking sick.
Oh, from the other side?
Yeah.
Did you put the wheel bearing on that side?
Yes.
Okay.
Like that. Yep. Okay. This guy, I'll slide a Carter pin in that bitch later. Okay, now.
Totally better off on the bottom.
Oh, yeah, good point. Yep.
That's the right size.
Yeah, it is. I already f***ed this thing now. What the f***? No. Oh, I think I hit a button. Here, push the head into there with your other hand.
Alright, you want me to hold the rotor?
Oh, yeah, you hold the rotor. When are you going to start holding it? Yeah, see, this thing's f***ed already.
Oh,
Did it get you?
a little bit. Ow.
This end is already f***ed. I already bent the shit out of it. Yep, so let me put this on this now. Okay? And use that to hold it.
Yep.
Oh shit, how do I turn this back on? It goes right back to where I want. You got it?
Yep. Oh my god.
Okay.
Wait.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay.
Cool.
So now.
Now we're on.
Oh my God! A good steering wheel that doesn't fly off.
All right, let's see.
Money.
Money. Dang, this is gonna look sick.
Bro, it clears everything. Nice.
Yeah, looks mint. Looks good.
I christened. Cool.
Turn the 02 into the 03. Without 40 baby, you know me. Imagine if I never met the broskies.
All right, Rob, let's get an update on this thing. So, we got all the front suspension in. Not me personally, but you.
Front's done. Brakes are done besides the lines. I'm just waiting on some steering to come in. Now, we have most of the brackets in for the rear. We just are in the process of welding all of our housings to the rear end. The last thing we have to do is this Watts link bracket. A lot of numbers on here. It's very difficult for me. Takes me a minute. But once I figure it out, then I give the stick to Jack and he makes it hot.
Making it hot.
Make it hot.
Well, we're getting pretty close, though. Just welding these on, tacking them, and then gonna take them to my shop, use the big welder, and this thing's actually gonna be ripping pretty soon, I think. She'll be good from far, far from good.
Oh yeah, 100%.
We got rear end in the truck, heading to the shop. We're gonna fully weld it there, and then throw some paint on it. That's all for tonight. What happened?
I blew the fucking tire out. The dog's too fat.
Dang, didn't even make it to the shop. Poor thing. Oh God, yeah, blew it out. Dude, that's blown out. Cooper, what'd you do, buddy?
Fucking blown out.
All right, we made it back to the shop. Now I'm just laying down some gummy worms on this thing, right, Rob? This thing came out sweet.
It did.
Nice welds on this thing. You're gonna have so much torque that the chassis is gonna twist. But these welds won't break. This thing's just solid.
You know what you ran at Palmdale? 9
What?
seconds flat.
No shit. What's your best time?
Never driven her. Scares the shit out of me.
All right, now what do we got going on over here?
All right. Rear end's in. 3-link is in. I messaged the manufacturer. The only thing we really got left is to torque everything down and figure out the specs so I can set the Watts link bracket to. I don't know what Watts link means, but it sounds fancy. After that, rear will be on. We'll be able to bolt the wheels on permanently. And back here is done except for fuel tank and brake lines.
Sick.
So then we'll hopefully put the motor in next week.
Yeah, this thing actually looks sick. Look at all those brackets. Dang, if you crack the welds on this rear end, I'm gonna be pissed.
Oh, we're gonna be f***ed. If I break this rear end, we're f***ed.
Yeah. No, I put some big gummy worms on that thing, so
Oh, for sure.
yeah. The paint really covers it, but
Oh, yeah.
all right, sweet. That actually looks hot. Nice, she's pretty.
Yeah.
All right, so how are we making out?
Steering's in. Everything's torqued down. I got to slide quarter pins in. And after that, start putting together the clutch on the back of the motor. We're going to put the motor on the ground. I'll put the clutch assembly, everything, bell housing, flywheel on. And we'll be ready to put the motor in, hopefully Friday.
Sick. So now we're all set with the suspension.
Yeah, everything besides brake lines pretty much under here is done.
That's awesome. It's all torqued.
Yep.
Dang, this looks hot. All your streeter track suspension is on here.
Yep.
Looks pretty. Pretty nice. Came together quite nicely.
Now the welder kind of f***ed me, but
Yeah, well, what do you expect for free? If you want, I'll give you your money back. This looks hot though.
it does.
Yeah, so that's pretty much a wrap on this video's part 1 of Rob's Mustang over here. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned because next we got the whole cherry on top of this thing, the motor.
A lot of it.
All right, we'll see you soon.